So there's the one they sent me. There's the El Gato taco truck, which is why I ordered these other three. And there's Mau Mau. Mau Mau fits nicely in there. Comfortably in and out, no problem. That thing is so small he can barely get his head in. It's made for kittens or very tiny cats. So that, compared to that, with him trying to fit in it.
Cat's in here. Hi, baby girl. What are you doing? Are you trying to get her? He's always trying to mess with him sisters. He does that when he's annoyed. He's going, what are you doing? You gonna get your sister? He said, yep, I am. He's such a stinker. You gonna get you?
Alright. Stop it.
With a syringe.
It was a tiny error. There was no contamination of the field many surgeons even do.
Secret coast, we speak a language all our own. We hide and seek, I follow where you go.